In this video, you see the Fat Truck 2.4 loaded with 2,300 pounds. The Fat Truck 2.4 can travel to speed up to 20 miles per hour, climb 70% grade hills, do 40% side hills. The Fat Truck 2.4 is fully hydrostatic. All wheels are powered with a hydraulic motor. The key features on this outstanding vehicle are its low footprint of 2 pounds per square inch loaded, the 56 horsepower turbo diesel engine, a fuel autonomy of 12 hours, and a certified rollover cage. Did I mention it's driven only with a joystick? No pedals, no shifters, no clutch, no chains, and you can drive seating on the right of the left-hand side of the cab. The Fat Truck 2.4 is easy to transport. You just need a 1500 size pickup. It is also available with a rear open canopy and can bring a total of 4 people through extreme conditions. The vehicle is amphibious, yes it floats, and requires very low maintenance, basically only oil changes every 500 hours. For more details visit www.fattruck.com.